Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our English class. Okay. So, dear students, in previous period, we have talked about the poem The Tree, unit number 4, written by K.N. Daruwala. Okay. In the poem, we have seen that how the poet and his family members had planted a gulmohar tree and what type of care they had taken of that small gulmohar tree, and now that tree is paying them back each and everything. उन्होंने किस तरह से पेड़ लगाया था और किस तरह से पेड़ ने उन्हें सब कुछ पेड किया है. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 30. ओके, so question number answer these questions we have already done, and B is already I have provided the words, difficult words meanings in the previous period. Okay, so you can do this activity of B, fill in the blanks with words and phrases from the poem. Okay, so dear students, you can do from that. Okay, all right, now let's see spelling and vocabulary to improve. Read these words beginning with ESH. Add some more similar words. Okay, now we have some words starting with SH means sh, and हमें करना है कि हमें अपने और भी वर्ड्स ऐसे कुछ यहाँ पर ऐड करना है सेम प्रकार के. द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज शेड, द अनदर वर्ड इज शेक, द थर्ड वर्ड इज शेम. ये सभी वर्ड्स SH से इनकी शुरुआत हुई है. लेट्स सी सम अदर वर्ड. We have share, spelled as SHARE, share. Okay, then another word is shape, SHAPE. Next SHAVE, shave. Okay, then SHELL, shell. So dear students, these are the words beginning with SH. Okay, now the what is written there, do all the words rhyming with each other. क्या ये सब एक के साथ में rhyming words है? Are they sounding same? So no, they do not rhyme with each other. Circle the one that do not rhyme with the other. So dear students, each one of these word is not rhyming with any other word, so no need to circle. All right, now let's see homophones. So dear friends, in grammar we have new concept homophones. Okay, so what is homophones? Homophones होते क्या हैं? Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and sometimes different spellings. Okay, so homophones actually होते क्या है? इनका साउंड, इनका प्रोनाउंसिएशन तो सेम होता है, होमोफोन्स का प्रोनाउंसिएशन सेम होता है, बट इनका मीनिंग और इनका स्पेलिंग भी अलग होता है. ओके, इनका स्पेलिंग एंड मीनिंग इज टोटली डिफरेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल हम लेते हैं ब्लू, BLUE, ब्लू इज द नेम ऑफ कलर, एंड BLEW, ब्लू मीन्स द पास्ट टेंस ऑफ ब्लो, मतलब बहना. ओके, तो इस तरह के वर्ड्स होते हैं. आल्सो हमारे पास में डियर, DEAR, डियर, and DEEAR, dear. Both the pronunciations are same, but the meanings are different. Now let's do from page number 31 this activity. Read these homophone pairs. Now fill in the blanks with the correct words. Now dear students, यहाँ पर homophones की पेयर दी है. 8, blue, blue, saint, deer, flower. दोस्तों आप यहाँ पर देखोगे कि 8 pronunciation is the same, but their spellings are different. Also the meanings are different. Alright, let's do it first. The girl wore a skirt as blank as the morning sky. Okay, morning sky का कलर क्या होता है? Yes, let's see. 8, we have blue. Let's find out. Saint, deer, flower. So let's do it. These are the pairs of homophones. So the girl wore a skirt as the morning sky. So it means it will be here blue. We have blue color. So what is the correct spelling for the blue? Yes, it's B-L-U-E. B-L-U-E as the morning sky. Okay, the girl wore a skirt as blue as the morning sky. Now number second, I a letter to my friend. लेटर को क्या किया मैंने लिखा, राइट यहाँ पे वर्ड नहीं है तो फिर लेटर मैंने भेजा मीन्स सेंड. ओके, सेंड के लिए अलग वर्ड. यस, नंबर 5 एंड नंबर 6 सेंड, CENT सेंड, SENT सेंड. सो yes, SENT sent is the past tense of send. So we have got the word I sent a letter to my friend. Okay. Next, I saw a blank little baby in a pram. छोटा बेबी कैसे होता है? What words we have in homophones lines? Let's see. Okay, dear, dear, D-E-A-R, dear, to whom we love, to whom we like. So the correct word is I saw a dear little baby in a pram. The spelling is D-E-A-R. Alright, another word is for the animal. Then next, number I blank a vegetable burger and drank a glass of milk at lunch time. So मैंने क्या खाया? Ate. The ate will be there, A-T-E. Okay. Then next, we make cakes and rotis with wheat. हम केक्स और रोटीज, चपातीज गेहूं की किससे बनाते हैं? तो गेहूं का क्या होता है? आटा. ओके, आटे को क्या बोलते हैं? Flour. So what is the correct spelling of flour? F-L-O-W-E-R? No, it's not. It's F-L-O-U-R. Flour. We make cakes and rotis with wheat flour. Alright. Now next, I have only marbles. Where has the 9th one gone? है ना, मेरे पास में सिर्फ इतनी है. जो 90 नंबर की थी वो कहाँ पर गई? मतलब अभी मेरे पास कितने हैं? What comes before 9? It's 8. Number 8, E-I-G-H-T. I have only 8 marbles. Where has the 9th one gone? Alright. Now next, the rose is a pretty. Rose ये क्या है? Pretty, सुंदर क्या है? एक flower है. Obviously, the rose is a pretty flower. Okay, so we have taken from 10 number. Now, is the 100th part of a US dollar. Okay, so what do we have? Yes, we have the cent. C-E-N-T. Cent is the 100th part of a US dollar. Alright, dear student. Now next, move to the next. Is a wild animal. Yes. Which one is the wild animal here? Yes, deer. D-E-E-R. Deer is a wild animal. And the last, the wind. Obviously, we have the only one word left, blew. The wind blew the papers here and there. So, blew is the past tense of blow. Okay, bahana. So, dear students, we have done here the homophones. Homophones are the words which sound the same but have different meaning and different spellings. हमारे पास में होमोफोन्स हमने देखे यहाँ पर किस तरह से अलग अलग प्रयोग करते हैं. एट, एट, ब्लू, ब्लू, सेंट, सेंट, डियर, डियर, फ्लोर, फ्लोर. दोस्तों, आपके डेली यूज में भी इसी प्रकार से और होमोफोन्स आते होंगे और आते हैं. सो प्लीज मेक देयर लिस्ट एंड write down their different meanings and use them in your own words differently. So it will be fun and it will increase a great knowledge in your vocabulary. Okay, so I hope you have understood the homophones. So please do well, learn well and do this activity into your notebook. Thank you.